food waste is this ubiquitous, agreed upon topic. Everyone agrees food waste is bad, right? You ask you should do this on the podcast, Lori. Ask every single person, what do you think about food waste? They're going to hate it. Talk to your Uber driver. They hate food waste. If you talk to the clerk when you're checking out your groceries, that person hates food waste. Like, everyone hates food waste because I think there's something kind of instinctual about it, something kind of human about it. But then we're also all raised like, don't waste food. It costs a lot of money, right? The average American household wastes like $1,500 to $2,000 on food waste every year. So it's an insane amount of waste. We're all taught that food waste is bad, and we all agree. One of our members is Matson. They have a study where they found 99% of people agree food waste is bad.
Wow.
There's never been that much agreement on anything in the world, right? But
You're right. In these divisive times in the human race, like,
exactly.
When have we ever had 99% of the people agreeing on something? Well, I mean, and I kind of understand that sentiment, because I feel the same way about fruits and vegetables. I describe to people my business and what I do. They're like, "Oh, fruits and vegetables are great," But I don't even know if we could get 99% of people to say they love fruits and vegetables. But the fact that we can get 99% of people to agree that food waste is bad, it further positions your association for success.
Yeah. And for, the listeners and you in the produce industry, think about the blood, sweat, and tears that go into growing that food. And if 30 to 40 to 50% of it is going to waste, that's money that is left out in the field to rot, literally, a lot of the time, where that money could be going to support the families of those farmers, and everyone creating new economic opportunity, not to mention that it's also really important for the environment. Project Drawdown says that preventing food waste is the number one most effective solution to global warming. So it's just, on all fronts, it's a good idea. It's important to do, which is why a new stat from Innova Market Insights found 62% of consumers were willing to pay more for a product that prevented food waste, which is impressive because it's more than the percentage of consumers who are willing to pay more for a product with recycled plastic packaging. And there's this all-out war on plastic right now, and you hear about it every day if you're in the sustainability industry, and you probably hear about it every day. Like,
yes, you hear about it every day in produce.
Plastic is bad. Plastic is evil. Plastic is evil. And yet more people are willing to pay more for a product that prevents food waste than the portion of consumers who are willing to pay more for a product that has recycled plastic packaging. And so it goes to the fact that consumers want this. Consumers want more ways to prevent food waste. And that's exactly what Upcycled Certified gives them.